So, good morning everyone. My name is Diksha. I am a PhD scholar in the Department of Physiology, King George Medical University, Lucknow. So, my topic for the presentation is exploring the impact of yoga based intervention on irritable bowel syndrome. It is basically a review paper. Next slide, please. So, let's begin the introduction. So, irritable bowel syndrome is a common chronic gastrointestinal disorder. It is especially affecting the large intestine. It is associated with abdominal pain, bloating, discomfort, and altered bowel habit, including diarrhea or constipation or both. It includes headache, migraine, depression, and anxiety. Next, please. There are three types of IBS. First is the diarrhea predominant, second is the constipation predominant, and third is the mixed IBS. इसमें पेशेंट को कभी डायरिया हो सकता है, कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है. बेसिकली IBS इज कोरिलेटेड विद स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी. जैसे जैसे स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है, एंजाइटी बढ़ती है, वैसे वैसे IBS के सिम्टम बढ़ते जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. So these are the causes of IBS. I am little bit nervous. So first is the diet, second is the intolerance to food items, mental ailments and infection, emotional stress and gastrointestinal motor problems. So these are the basic cause of IBS. Next slide please. So this is the prevalence. So the Indian prevalence of IBS is the 11% to 14%, and worldwide prevalence of IBS is 12%. Next slide please. So this is the yoga. Yoga is a discipline developed in ancient India. It includes asana, pranayama and meditation. It reduces sympathetic nervous system activity via increases parasympathetic activity by the calming, breathing and complete relaxation. So these are the some basic asanas जो previous researches में लोगों ने use किया है with reference. जैसे कि हम कर सकते हैं अधोमुख शवासना, पवन मुक्तासन एंड चाइल्ड्स पोज, भुजंगासन. सो दीज आर द बेसिक आसनास विच आर यूज्ड बाय प्रीवियस रिसर्चर्स. सो नेक्स्ट प्लीज. So these are the common pranayam which can reduce anxiety and stress level of IBS patient, जैसे कि अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायामा, भ्रामरी प्राणायामा, ओम चैंटिंग and meditation. So next is the methodology. We searched various research articles on ResearchGate, Google Scholar and PubMed from the year 2000 to 2022 via using the terms irritable bowel syndrome, yoga practice, asana, pranayam and meditation, and also the term stress and anxiety. Next please. So these are the questionnaire and scales which was used in previous researcher. जैसे कि फर्स्ट इज़ द रोम फोर्थ क्राइटेरिया. ये क्राइटेरिया है डायग्नोस IBS को डायग्नोस करने के लिए. तो इसमें कुछ स्टूल की फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम डिसाइड करते हैं कि पेशेंट को IBS है या नहीं है, किस टाइप का IBS है, कि मीन्स उसको कॉन्स्टिपेशन है या डायरिया है या दोनों सिम्टम हो रखे हैं. सीवियरिटी क्वेश्चनर यूज़ हुआ है जो कि सीवियरिटी बताता है IBS की. इसमें बेसिकली 5 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो पेशेंट से बाय वन ओके. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. दिस इज द इंक्लूजन क्राइटेरिया and this is the exclusion criteria, and these are the result. So the finding of this review indicates that IBS is diagnosed more commonly in females. Constipation is more dominant in India. Stress is primary trigger of IBS. Intervention of yoga decreases the severity of IBS symptom. It also ameliorates the stress and anxiety. And next is the conclusion. So this is proved that yoga is proving to be an effective stress management tool, and it is now being used in the Western world as an economical substitute. Additionally, the yoga group had a notable improvement in quality of life in IBS patient, and we also saw reduction in medication dependency. So, and these are the references. And thank you everyone.
टूल्स कौन सा यूज़ करने बताया, टूल्स कोई दिया था?
Sir, this is the basically review paper and my work is also on, yeah.